Hey everybody, something special here today. The 5 steps to manifesting anything you want in this life. Make sure you go through all 5 steps because each one is essential. And remember, when you start, you gotta have a clear vision. Do you want to manifest? Of course you want to manifest. Everybody wants to manifest. When they hear the word manifest, they're like, man, I want to manifest. I want to manifest $1 million. I want to manifest a beautiful wife. I want to manifest a gold turkey. For some of you more strange people out there. Now, manifestation is not a lottery ticket. The more you understand, the clearer you are on what you want the future to look like, the more likely you will ever be in manifesting that future. It all starts with just an idea in your mind. And you can take as much time as you need to get as clear as you can possibly get to where there's a switch in you that says this is absolutely achievable. Through the strategy and the plan that you've created, and then set off on that journey and work incredibly hard while continuously envisioning it actually happening is how you are truly locked into the quantum field and you are pulling yourself towards the reality that you wanted to create in the future. It's undeniable what the consistency of meditating and ultimately practicing manifestation can really help you be driven and drawn to the stuff that you hope to achieve. It all starts with just an idea in your mind that you wanted to create in the future. I wanted to just read this to you, just to give you a sense of what I listen to every single day. The ending of the meditation goes like this. Abundance and prosperity are mental conditions that you create on the plane of mind with complete trust and confidence that they will manifest in your life. You refuse to accept undesirable circumstances having final reality. For the mighty truth at the center of your consciousness where peace always reigns and all things are possible, you know that life is a journey that must be traveled step by step. You are patient, you are trusting, for you have unshakable faith in your destination, which always leads you closer to your true home of infinite love and abundance. I always believed that you could kind of manifest and create your own reality. You can manifest absolutely anything that you want in this life. But you've got to deeply imagine it, and not just imagine it from the outside looking in. You have to imagine you are there. You have to feel the feeling of where you are, smell the smells, listen to the sounds. You have got to trick your mind and body into believing it is real when your body does not know the difference between the realness in your mind and the realness of your reality. And the more that you can put into feeling it, the stronger of a flag you're going to plant in the universe that's going to conspire to pull you towards whatever it is you hope to manifest.